The fourth new technology I chose is Du Chinese. Du Chinese is free to use. You can download on the Apple Store here. You also can get it on Google Play. Yes, you also can use in your laptop, the PC. Okay. Du Chinese is a revolutionary app will help you to improve your Chinese reading skills. It is easy to use and loading materials only takes like seconds. You can read by yourself or listen to an audio recording and reading along. The characters and pinyin layout looks very comfortable. I choose this website for all level Chinese students who want to improve their Chinese reading skills. Teachers can also use materials on this website in their teaching. Next, I will demonstrate how to use this website. I will show you on my laptop. Click Get Started. Here, you need to choose your Chinese level. I will choose the elementary level. Elementary level, you see here, an article is coming out. I will show you some functions. Right now, you can only see the Chinese characters if we, because right now if we click the pinyin on, you can see the pinyin coming out. So the characters right now is a simplified Chinese. If I click the characters, it will change the traditional Chinese characters. Okay, here the HSK, if you turn the HSK on, when you put your mouse on any words, it will show the HSK level. You can see on here. It will show here after I click it. See, on the right side is HSK2 level. The left side has a characters, pinyin, and English meanings. Okay, here also have the speed. You can change the audio speed here. You can see that's a 1 point, is a 0.5. Here's 1, that's a normal speed. Okay, right now I will turn off the pinyin and change characters to the simplified Chinese. Okay, we can start lesson to listen the audio. Okay, if we change to slower speed, you can hear, you can listen. It's slow. Okay, I can change to a fast speed. It's 1.5. Okay, you can hear the difference. You also can make your flashcard, but you need to create an account. It's free. You can create and make your flashcard. Okay, I really think this is a perfect website to practice your reading skills. The reading materials topics are quite interesting, covering daily conversations, Chinese cultures, current events, the latest trends, funny stories, and real life in China. So I really recommend this website to students and teachers.